This is how you use ERIS. So when you first start, you will see you have a status window on the top with a message coming from other unit, a compass, your GPS location, and the time of the day. You have a middle menu that can be triggered back and forth by double-clicking on this bumper button. Everything is using the bumper button to validate a selection from the array in this demo. Keep that in mind. You have also a map that is always shown in front of you with the same orientation due north. If you select the map with the bumper menu, bumper button, you can zoom in and out as you keeping the bumper button on. You can also double click with the bumper button on a part of the map, and this map will reposition with the center at this location. When you start first, you want to click here on the gear to set your URL for the server, which you modify with a keyboard such as this one. You then, at the end of the URL, you want to put colon and the port number. Then you select live input to actually connect to the server. Don't forget this step. Then you select whether you are a HUD or a hologram. Here I'm going to keep it as a HUD in this demo, but hologram is very similar in that the information is the same but attached to the real world. And then you select a scenario. So I can select this filter window so I can see some sensor data, and I can select the sensor data that I want to see. So for example, air quality, fire hotspot, as well as the wind sensor here, and I can see those sensor data are coming here. So I'm gonna not put air quality so that I see a bit better the sensor. When I hover over the sensor, you can see I can see some more detailed information about the sensor data. If I click on it, you will see the sensor detail is staying here without having to hover above it. This is a way you can watch for sensor data. If you click on it again, this information disappears. When you click on a sensor, it's also showing here in the sensor tray. And the same for the message. If you have several messages coming, you will have a message history into this message window. So this is how you can use ERIS to see some information coming from sensor. If you are a hologram, you will see the same thing, but things will be actually attached to the real world. So this is showing you now the map is attached to the real world. It's not anymore moving in front of me, and I can go around, and I have the same panel with the same information here showing than in the HUD. Thank you.